My name is Emma Crick, and I'm a part of the Precision Agriculture team at Auburn University. Today I'll be explaining what the CropFit app is and how it can be used by farmers. The CropFit app is a free app designed by the University of Georgia to help farmers decide when to irrigate and how much water to apply. The app collects data from weather stations, rain gauges, and soil sensors to estimate the soil water deficit in the user's fields and provide a recommendation of how much water to apply through irrigation. Here's how to use the app. First, log in using your username and password. Once you log in, you will see a list of your fields organized by crop type. The CropFit app currently supports corn, cotton, soybean, and peanut. To add a field, click the plus sign at the top right corner and zoom into your field. Tap or input coordinates to place pins along the perimeter of your field. Then, name the field, change the planting date, and add each source of data for weather, rain, and soil type. If you have a rain gauge or soil sensor, add them here. The data collected from your sensors will automatically be uploaded to the app, preventing you from needing to manually input the data and providing the most accurate estimates of soil available moisture as possible. Once done, click Save. This menu shows the name of the field, the planting date, the amount of rain observed during the latest rainfall event, and the growth stage of the crop. By clicking on a field, more data can be seen. The soil water deficit is shown in the middle of the screen. The soil water deficit should ideally be less than 50% to prevent stress on the crop. Beside the percentage is a visual representation of the soil water balance. The red line in the middle represents the 50% deficit. Underneath the deficit percentage is the amount of water needed to refill the top 24 inches of the soil profile. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the growth stage of your crop. This model is based on the planting date and temperature data in the app. It is measured in growth degree days. Both the water balance and growth stage areas can be scrolled to the left to see previous days' data. To view more details about the water balance in your field, click See Details. Here you can add the amount of water applied or rainfall observed manually. The crop evapotranspiration, or daily water use, can be seen here as well. The actual evapotranspiration for the past week and the expected evapotranspiration in the next week can be very useful when planning irrigation. The CropFit app will send you daily notifications of the soil water balance status of your fields, preventing the need to log into the app every day to check. The ease of access of the app and combination of many different data types helps present the most important information to the user in one location. This is an overview of the CropFit app and its features. For any questions or additional information, please contact Dr. Brenda Ortiz, Precision Agriculture Specialist at bortiz@auburn.edu.